The day event takes a date-time input variable and then returns a number corresponding to the day in the event. For example, if we pass in the date time here, the day event will return the number 11, since this is the 11th of October. Let's take a quick look at configuring the day event inside of Dittofi. So to start with, I'm going to create an endpoint called getDay. Next, I'm going to set the path here equal to v1 getDay. Lastly, I'm going to save down my endpoint and then go over to my Actions tab. Inside my Actions tab, I'm going to create a new action that I'm going to call getDay. Next, I'm going to associate my getDay action with my getDay endpoint, like so. Okay, so now I need a datetime variable from which to demonstrate how I can grab the day. So to get this, I'm going to add a new datetime variable, which I'm going to call current datetime. I'm going to give it the same name. And I'm going to set the value here to now to get the current date time. Next, I'm going to add the day event from under the time events over here. And then add the description to say, read the current date time and get the day. I'm going to set the variable to be the current date time. And I'm going to set the name of my return variable to day. Now, the current date is the 11th of October, 2022. So, if under my trigger component, I set the response to be my day variable, and I then build my code, I can test my action from inside of my getDay endpoint. So, as you can see here, when I click the run button up here, the value that is returned to my endpoint is the number 11, which is because today is the 11th of October.